Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm a Flexfilm, and today we have the privilege of being at Chico's tent shop in Columbus, Georgia. Chico is another Flexfilm rock star. This guy has a shop that's amazing. I mean, this shop's something like you've never seen before. I can't wait to show you Chico, and let's see Chico's shop. I'm ready to give you the tour right now. Come on, check it out. Okay guys, you haven't seen anything like this. Look behind me, look behind me. Look at the floor. I mean, the red checkerboard, the blue, on this wall, he's got accessories, he's got car tags, he's even got wheels and batteries, and it's crazy what he's got over here. All these truck accessories, he's even got little knickknacks that you can buy for your car. It's just too much for me to go over. All this, all this memorabilia, neon signs. Here, walk this way with me. He's got places to put 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 or even 6 cars in this bay if he needs to. It's air conditioned. Man, if we put chairs in here and tables, this could be a great chicken wing restaurant, man, with an awesome atmosphere. But check this out. We got some tenting going on in here. We've got toolboxes. We've even got a plotter over here in the corner. Looks like it's a Film and Vinyl Designs rolling plotter. Brett Wassel probably hooked him up with that. Awesome company, by the way. We got the 25-year tent veteran over here making it happen. Look, come over here, man. Check it out. If you mess a window up and you're mad, you just come over here and freaking punch this thing. That was kind of funny, wasn't it?
Sometimes you gotta kick it.
Oh, you gotta kick it, yeah. They go back and kick that window, man. You got an ATM machine. If you need some cash, we got it right here. We can wash our towels and stuff right here. Over there we can have lunch. Y'all, let's mosey on over here. Can we do the fridge? Can we do the MTV fridge thing? Check it out. What? We got all the snacks. Got a freezer. Y'all check this out. Deep sink. This is my favorite, okay? They say if you got a clean bathroom, you're gonna have a clean shop. Check this out. Now, go get that Harley Davidson, the walls, the posters, the memorabilia. I mean, would you use this bathroom? I think I would. Check it out. I love it. Got a convenient little pill board over here. More nice toolboxes. Places to put window film, glass top tables, more pill boards. You got neon signs, t-shirts, jukebox right here, multi-cade, Pac-Man, Donkey Kong, nice waiting area, TVs, autographed movie star pictures. Hey, the list goes on. Just get a good pan of this. I wanted to show you what he's got. This is amazing. Now, let's get ready to meet Chico. First of all, Chico, how did you get here, man? How long have you been tinting windows? What do you think about this wonderful community that you're in Columbus, Georgia, down here in the South? Give us a brief, how did you get here, man? People want to know.
Man, I've been in Columbus since 1966, and Columbus has been very good to me. I graduated from high school, 2 years of junior college. But I started window tinting as a hobby, tinting my friends' windows. Mm-hmm. And I enjoyed doing it. I love doing it. And before I knew it, I went into a business in 1986. Wow. And I've been tinting since 1986, but in 85, I was just tinting a lot of my friends' cars. And I enjoyed doing it. And as today, I still love tinting. I still love tinting homes, cars. I love what I do. But most of all, when I've grown, I have wonderful employees, been with me 21 years, 18 years, 17 years. my employees helped me, made me what I am today.
So you not only are successful just doing, I mean, God, the last time I was here, you did 15 to 20 cars in one day, but I know you wake up every day and you get volume like that day in and day out, and that's successful. You know how to put this stuff on the glass yourself. You started off putting it on the glass, but you've gone past just success because you got great employees. You know, they've been with you, they're loyal. I mean, you're just putting a whole thing together. And tell us about your shop. I mean, you know, you walk in here, and if I were to like put a bunch of tables in here, I could have a really nice, you know, chicken wing restaurant with loud, nice music and a great atmosphere, air conditioned. How did you get all this? How did it come to?
What I do is, you know, I do private protection. So I started with my first autograph was September 16, 1986 with Muhammad Ali.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And then after that was Whitney Houston and went on and on. So I collected autographs, so I put it all in here. So I made it all the way to the White House sitting in presidential cars. So it's an honor for me that I get to sit in presidential cars because I love cars, you know. So I am so blessed 10 times over.
And you've even had the opportunity to even put window tint on celebrities' cars.
Yes.
I know we don't have to sit here and go through the whole
list. A lot
list,
of baseball players, NFL players, you know, rock stars and all that, you know. So
that's
I
awesome.
really enjoy doing this, still
and
doing
we can
it.
look around, and I mean, if there's a picture on the wall, what's interesting is that picture probably came from the person that's in the picture. The celebrity probably gave it to you.
Yes.
And it got on the wall. You didn't cut it out of the magazine.
No. And then me going to the SEMA show for the last 20 years
Right.
and learning new products, learning from other people, from ideas, how their shop is, how they do business.
Wow, man, your phone's even ringing off the hook. Listen, I just want to point something out. I walked in this place 5, 6, 7 years ago. Who's counting? And you know, I just shared an idea with you. You know, I talked about our company. You know, I was young. I didn't really know. I wasn't young, but I was new in the business. But I was promoting a technology. I was promoting ceramic. You know, and a lot of window tinters didn't know what that is and what it would do for their customers and what value it would bring to the table. I brought my heat box in. You know, we put your hand in front of it, boom, I saw it in your eyes. You were hooked. You knew something, you know, that I presented to you was something you had to have. I mean, this has been 5, 6, 7 years. We know you've been using the product, and we know, you know, the product's not falling off the glass. You keep buying it. You know, tell us how the product's affected you or how it's brought you even higher up in the business.
With me, with the window film industry, with other industry film, yours really stand out. Not only that knocks out the heat, but the distortion is almost zero. Very seldom like that. And the heat, with today's technology down here in the South is being so hot, how much it cuts the heat down in people's cars and helping with their air condition and energy gas savings.
Wow,
Because more you
okay.
have your air conditioning on high, the more it pulls the engine. So when you turn an air conditioner down on low, it gets you better gas mileage. And it keeps the
You know,
car
we
like
never
that.
really asked you to switch completely to our company, but it looks like together, two entrepreneurs, we found a niche here. You know, we had a high-end product, we had a way to demonstrate it emotionally, and you know, you found a really strong place for it here at your business. And I just think that since you've been doing business with us, we are so blessed to have the opportunity. Because you know, when we're behind somebody like you that's this successful,
Right.
It makes us successful, you know, and you know, you've taught us, you know, what we want, what we're looking for. You've helped us settle into our niche, and I'm just glad you're sharing with everybody how this niche has actually helped you and affects everybody around you. And you know what? Is it true to say that I'm gonna have to quit talking and let you say the rest? But you got great employees, and they get paid generously. But you know, when anybody makes money on a percentage, we all do.
Right.
Everybody benefits. How has ceramic helped your employees? And you know,
Well, one of all, it heat shrinks very well. That's the most important thing. And it lays good.
so
That is a great key right there. Because some film is very hard to heat shrink. And then in the wintertime, it makes a big difference when it's hot in summer, heat shrink in the car. It's always different. and the heat shrinks just as good as the summer as a winter. That's a
Oh,
bigger
wow.
factor in the back of a window, rear windows.
Well, that's
I am
awesome,
so
man.
blessed to have this product in my company. And remember, one thing is my employees, success is great, greed is bad. So when you're success, take care of your employees. Walmart just figured that out this year. They just started paying their employees $16 an hour.
I didn't know that.
Yes. It was
Well,
minimum wage
it's-
for all these
it's-
years.
I want to say I really appreciate the opportunity
you.
to do business with you. I'm glad that we've been together for over 5 years in a very humid climate, and we still are going strong.
Yes.
And it's
continues
very
to grow.
obvious that you put success before money. Now, money's obviously following you around, but man, success is that's all you care about. You talk to me and you talk to everybody here in terms of success. You're more worried about making people happy and giving them good products and than what comes after that.
And at the end of the
what
day, all I have is my name, and I put my name on it, and I'm proud of it.
Well, thank you very much,
Thank
man.
you
Thank
so
you for
much.
having us over here, and thank you for showing
Thank
the
you for
world.
letting me sell this film.
Absolutely. Thanks for showing us your awesome
Thank
shop.
you so much, my friend.
All right, man.
Honor. Thank you.